Tell these pussy ass honkies I don't care about what they got. Cause I'm too busy, I stay busy. You ain't busy, you just feel. Cause I'm too busy, I stay busy. You ain't busy, you just feel.
Alright, so before we get going, I just want to say I really don't know how to ride these things anymore. About ready? Yeah, down that way. Dang, man. Yeah, no, this feels so weird. How did I ever ride like this? I cannot. It's just, this is so weird. It's like I can't find my shifter. It's like, I did shift up though. It also doesn't feel like this should be enough clutch, but it is. Is that a spider or what? God dang. I stalled it. Did I trip down? Yeah. Well. Somewhere up in there, yeah. Yeah, somewhere.
There's a bump right there, a bump right here. Tiny little spear here.
So something did bite me. Cool. You gonna try to go on that trail? Try something crazy. I'm gonna try to do a wheelie over it. Maybe. I don't think I can though. I was sitting there and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try to do a wheelie over it.
A wheelie?
I did. I wheeled over it.
How the fuck you gonna fall off?
I just. Burp, burp, burp. Burp, burp, burp. That's how I did it. So if anybody wonders, that's how you wheelie over a log. Just burp, burp, burp. Really? Said really? Dang it. I thought I could do it. Guess not. Oh, good Lord. Hit the ground hard on that one. He's getting arm pump, I'm really not. Just 'cause I've been riding the Suzuki a little bit, so my arms are kind of still trained. Not really for this kind of riding, but you know, still. Kept them exercising. Bruh. That's it, there you go. I can wheelie over a log now. I'm gonna stall right here, and I know I am. Knew it. Just in a bad spot. Things start spinning. Yep. I feel like I tripped. Stupid vines. I didn't expect you to get stuck there, so I got put in a bad spot and I stalled it.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't expect you either. It just stalled.
And then I got stuck. My tire started spinning.
Fuck it out.
You
Did
gonna-
you do a burnout on that too?
You gonna do that one more?
On the outside?
Yeah.
Do it.
think it was black ants that bit me because it's still stinging bad. I jumped it. Guess he must have stalled or something. Ah, ants are burning, bro. It got me like 4 or 5 times too. Did you stall?
No, I got that same shit you got. Right back here, felt like something fucking bit me.
Hurts, don't it?
It felt like a fucking, someone took a needle.
It's gonna keep hurting for the rest of the day too.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's black ants.
Feels like it.
I don't know. Yeah, I tried to smack mine out good, but guess that didn't work.
Yeah, same. As soon as I felt something, I started going at it.
I'm gonna take all the spiders for him on this trail because he took them from me on the other one, I guess.
My bike actually hates me. And it's not like anything, no, that thing's snapped.
What do you mean? The cable?
Yeah.
Well, that's all the riding you're doing for today. That might be why it's so finicky.
Probably. Damn. Time.
Let's see, Eli. Oh, you wiped it off already. Oh, well.
Was that really it? Bruh.
You're not a man. You didn't let it bleed.
No, like I squished it, I wiped it, and that's as fast as it was gonna go. Like it, that was a one-timer.
Well, that's all the riding you're doing.
I mean, I could do it again
What?
for camera. We just,
No.
just
No,
act
that-
like it didn't happen.
That's retarded.
Oh shit, my cat! Ah, Hunter, look! I don't think. Did I actually pick myself? No, I didn't.
Bruh.